Did you start skating because of Braille? You will grow into them. Can you imagine? Literally, the man is a legend. Completely ignores Braille drop. Speaking of goofing around, I did not have a big nose when I was 12. Leave it in the comments below. My name's Kyro. I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area. And today, I'm gonna read YouTube comments. Hello, everybody. My name's Blue. Is your name Blue? Is that your name? Is that your name? Is it Blue? And that down there is Ollie. You can't see him, but I'm sure he'll jump up here in a minute. All right, guys. So we had this idea. People were requesting, read some YouTube comments. I don't know if they specifically wanted mean comments, nice comments, angry comments. So we just have, what's the word? We just have a plethora of comments. So let's start from the beginning. And Blue, don't get too angry, please. This is from my 20-year progression video. It says, more like my 20-year progression to skinny jeans. I don't think that's funny. A lot of other people were saying, it took him 20 years to grow into his pants. The next comment down, the evolution of Aaron's pants. The next one, the hair hasn't changed all too much. I literally have had the same haircut for 20 plus years. Little Aaron with those baggy jeans, so swag, LOL. But the first one has 1,000 upvotes. 1,000 upvotes. How does that even happen? More like my 20-year progression to skinny jeans. Do you think that comment is good? Does that comment deserve a treat? Okay, come on, Ollie, get up here, guy. These are the Braille Skate Dogs. You can follow them on Instagram at Braille Skate Dogs. All right, let's go to the next one. It's so weird seeing the professional skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area grow old. Am I old? I guess I am. And another one. Legend has it, Aaron still fits in the clothes. It's true. I wish I could actually get literally the same. I'm gonna ask my parents. If we still have a pair of those pants. I wouldn't be surprised if we do. Is it just me, or Aaron used to do tricks back then that he would never do now? It's not just you. Maybe it is just you. Who else got more into skating because of Braille? I did. Did you? Did you start skating because of Braille? I guess that's yes. Store clerk, how big do you want those pants? Aaron Kyro. Yes. I love you guys. Even in 2003, Aaron had some of the most controlled manuals I've ever seen. No surprise, they are some of his favorites. Yeah, thank you. That's true. Oh, this is from Australia for sure. This is what my mum means when she says, you will grow into them. Your mum is right. You buy the biggest pair of pants as a child and you will grow into them. Don't worry, you don't need skinny jeans when you're 12 years old. You don't, right? Right, Blue? You need skinny jeans when you're 12? Can't wait for the Andy Anderson documentary. Yes, yes. I can't wait either. It's in the middle of the editing cutting room table right now as we speak. Are you stoked on the doc? Here's a good one, I got a good one. Can Braille make a video of Aussie Dan just talking? I love his accent. 20 minutes of Aussie Dan just talking. Hey, g'day, mate. We here with the crocodiles, and we're gonna do some heel flips, because that's what we do, because things in Australia are reverse. In America, you kick flip. In Australia, you heel flip. My favorite about this quarantine is seeing Aaron skate more. I'm just gonna say thank you. I wonder if Aaron has accidentally introduced himself as to someone in real life with, my name is Aaron Kyro, I'm the sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area out of habit. Can you imagine? It's a good thing I'm married. I just celebrated my 10 years married. Can you believe that? Man, I am getting old. And we got these little peppers as part of it. It's just a good 10 years, you made it 10 years, huh? It's a good job, Dad. Good job you made it 10 years. But yeah, can you imagine me on the dating scene at a bar with a girl? Hey, what's your name? Susie. That's cool. My name's Aaron Kyro, I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area. Man, 0 likes. The Braille House sounds like the best place ever to be quarantined. It's true. You guys like to be quarantined here, right? They found their new favorite thing in the world. It's called Nerf football. Aaron, what is the biggest stair set you have ever ollied? So curious. Good question. I believe it's a 10, and I actually found the footage the other day. It wasn't in that video part, but I found the footage. It's pretty hilarious. But the biggest stair set I ever board slid was in that video part. It was at night. The only thing we had to light the stairs was a car. So it's a 12 stair board slide. Check it out. Petition for Braille to make a Braille reads mean comments video would be seriously epic. Well, we have done 2 of them, And this right here is kind of a mean comment. Are there some mean ones in here? We got a few mean ones in here. I think people don't understand that it's kind of hard to be mean to me, because if you try to be mean to me, I'm just gonna like say, yeah, you're right. And then generally if someone's mean to you and you say, yeah, you're right, they just kind of go like, okay. The other guys take it all personally and they take it all serious. I don't take it personally and I don't take it serious. I love Aaron's humor. He never fails to make me laugh, even on a terrible day. Something as simple as seeing him attack his friends always brings a smile to my face. Thank you for that. Do I attack my friends? Thank you for the nice comment. I'm not sure what to make of attacking my friends. You wanna know who does attack their friends though is these two guys. Here, you like those treats. You love the treats. I've had harder slams at Denny's. If I was Carlos, I'd never walk again. What does that even mean? I've had harder slams at Denny's. Oh, on my slams. Okay. I thought they were talking about Carlos. I was like saying, for real? What are you doing at Denny's? Ollie over a dumpster? If I was Carlos, I'd never walk again. Okay, they're saying my slams are weak. It's true. My slams are weak. I did break my foot in 2 places, so it was a weak slam though. It was a tray flip off a curb. It's like if I was gonna break my foot in 2 places, you would think I'd be like doing like a double set rail or something. But of course, I do it with a tray flip off a curb. So weak. Skateboarding is not that dangerous. Aaron Kyro. It's not! Statistically, football is more dangerous than skateboarding, but people freak out about how dangerous skateboarding is. Take it slow, use skateboarding made simple, wear a helmet, be safe. Aaron, okay, here's something easy. Also Aaron, misses it. It's so true. Sometimes I do something hard and say it's easy and I know I'm gonna miss it and it's part of the joke on purpose, but this one was probably not that. This is not fight your brother time. We're in the middle of a video right now. Can you guys get it together? Petition to put the board in a museum. Yeah, my first board. I don't know what museum would take it. Probably the Smithsonian. Can you imagine? Wow, Mom, look! Aaron Kyro's first skateboard. Seeing Aaron fail at a heel flip, a trick I can finally do, makes me feel better. You know, that's what I'm here for. I'm here for public ridicule, humor, whatever you want. Just lay it on. When you realize you got your first board the year Aaron was born, LOL. Really? Herb Quintana from 2 weeks ago. You got your first board in 1983? That's epic. You've been skating for a long time, 36 years. You would think I would know that answer right away since it's my age. Hey Surrey, LMAO.
That's beyond my abilities at the moment.
I did not call on you. That was a total accident. These next comments are about Jeremy, our marketing director, dropping in. Then we made a video. I was like, 43, what's she talking about? It says, old man at 43? Really? Oh, come on. At that age, you can pretty much do what you like. I'm 12 years older than him and has recently taken up roller skating again. 36 years since I had roller skates on my feet. Love and light from Norway. Heck yeah. Keep on rocking, Norway. If I'm still skating at 43, I'll be so happy. What a total legend. Literally, the man is a legend. A legend in his own right, in every right. The next ones are all about Gabe. You know, Gabe's a sensitive guy, but he's a very awesome skater and one of our best friends in the whole universe, and he's one of the best dudes there could ever be. So now we're gonna read the comments about Gabe. New video idea. Gabe does all the things he pushes everyone else to do. I think that's a whole series. I think it's a docu-series. I think it's like we could do 1,000 episodes. You know what I mean? Can you imagine Gabe dropping it on the vert ramp? No, you can't. Exactly, great video. Ollie, I have taught a trick. Let's see if he'll do it. Sit. Good boy! What a good boy! I know they're gonna be like, he just sat down because he was just tired, not because he did the command. No, he sat down because I've trained him within an inch of his life. Blue, sit. Blue doesn't train, he's untrainable. If anybody knows a high quality dog trainer in the Bay Area, let me know. Dude, we're in the middle of reading comments. We don't have time for this. Sit down. Next one. Do you wanna read some comments, Blue? The boss comes in. Uzi actually participates. Literally. Uzi does run the Braille social media. So on Instagram, Uzi's making all those memes. Uzi's like taking stories and videos of stuff. So oftentimes when Uzi's on his phone, he's on the Braille Instagram, or maybe he's not. Maybe he's just on his own Instagram looking at Instagram. But either way, we also love you, Uzi. And when he does participate, man, is it a gem. I think this might be the first time that someone actually gets a Jamba Juice from a bet. Like they never go get Jamba Juice. They just use it as a tool for a bet. That is not true. We get Jamba Juice all the time. It's just such a long running joke. We used to get them all the time. We literally had people sending us Jamba Juice gift cards. And now I think people don't like Jamba Juice anymore. Every time I'm like, do it for a Jamba Juice, they're like, I don't even like Jamba Juice. But they say that to me. I'm at that Jamba Juice. I like how Uzi makes people feel awkward, but in a funny way. I like that as well. Who is the new guy? Aaron, I think they're literally talking about me. I am so dumb that literally went straight over my head. I thought they were asking like, who's the new guy, Aaron? No, they're meaning who's the new guy, meaning me, Aaron. Well, if you must know, my name's Aaron Kyro. I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area. That's who I am. And I've been here before, not all the time, but sometimes. Carlos leaves. Braille completely ignores Braille drop. We should just cement it up. We should just put a tombstone on it and we'll just say, rest in peace, Braille drop. Carlos had killed you. I mean, is anybody gonna do a better trick than ollie off of that with a nail board? Leave it in the comments below. Love how Aaron skates more in the vids. Great to see y'all shred the whole park together. Yeah, we need to just skate and create and just be on that skate mission. I always forget that Aaron is actually really good. I forget it too. Sometimes I come here and I feel like it's my first day skating. And then other days I come here and I can do every trick, every try. And it's like, what happened? And then I watch my old footage. I think I'm gonna go back to a smaller board because I got a bigger board, but now I'm working with Paul Schmidt to get the perfect board shape. Literally the perfect one. So hopefully I can make that happen and take it back to, you know, my old days. So we'll see how it goes. Braille, we got a new skate park, Dreamland, hold my quarter pipe. It's probably just the quarter pipe alone is more wood than is in this entire warehouse. Probably double. The quarter pipe, just so you guys have an idea, is 30 feet tall. I believe that is only what, 13 feet? It's more than twice the size of the top of the wall ride, which is massive. Hey, what are you doing? You think this is a skate park? No fun at the skate park. I'm not scared of anything, but heights is one of them. Nigel, 2019. Was that in 2019? That was. That is so weird. Remember when everybody thought 2020 was gonna be the greatest year ever? Quarantine. COVID-19. Oh boy. Aaron is cringy, yet funny at the same time. He's like a dad. What? I don't know whether to feel upset, acknowledged, good, bad. Aaron is cringy but funny. I'm gonna just take that as a compliment. I'll take that and I'll up the ante. Uzi does one cool trick. Uzi disappears from video. I mean, that's all you really need, right? One cool trick and you're out. The hair hasn't changed all too much, literally. I think when I was younger, this might have been a little bit straighter, better kept up. Now it's just like, I go to one of those haircut places that's like $7 and the person's like, how do you like your hair? And you're like, cut. And they're like, you've come to the right place. My man's really had the same haircut for 80 years. Have I had the same haircut for 80 years, you guys? But everybody's making fun of my hair. Glad to see Aaron grew into his face. Was I not grown into my face? At 12 years old, I just had this massive face. Everything else about my body was normal, like 12-year-old kid size, but my face was apparently massive. Glad to see Aaron grew into his face. I'm glad too. Thank you for your comment, Brainy Bricks. I love you. You love me. We're all love in a tree. You look like an owl or hawk or something. Good. Ooh. What sound does an owl make? None of those sounds. Woo, 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 woo. Or a hawk. Woo, 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 woo. Is your dad an owl or is he a hawk? Literally the same old big nose. I did not have a big nose when I was 12. I saw that and I thought, wow, look at that little tiny nose on that little man. Who did that man grow up to become? The world's largest nose. What are you gonna do? It's okay, it just is what it is. Dude, Aaron was shredding before I even existed. Thank you, thank you. Thank you very much. It's pretty crazy for me to watch that footage when I was 12. I was like doing switch flips down a 3-stair, and then I did a 360 pop shove it off a box. I would have a hard time right now doing a 360 pop shove it off that box. We should probably try it just to see what happens. Stay tuned for that video. I feel like people forget how consistent Aaron is. 431 upvotes. Thank you. Yeah, sometimes my consistency pays off. Sometimes I can land tricks and other people can't. Even if they are tricks that the person can land, they don't. Isn't that right? Isn't that right? They don't. And then they lose the game of skate. That moment when your boss joins the company basketball game and everyone feels like they have to take it easy on him. They don't take it easy on me, dude. Trust me. They make me cry on a daily basis. Everyone tries tricks while Aaron will have a hard time with. Uzi, manual. That's a good one. Everyone try tricks that Aaron will have a hard time with, and then Uzi does a manual, a straight manual. That's my boy. That's my boy. Aaron is a beast when he's not goofing around. I mean, aren't I always goofing around? I think I'm better when I'm goofing around. Hey, speaking of goofing around, I'm trying to get them comfortable with this place because I'm trying to teach these dogs like tricks. Imagine the dog jumping off this 3-block. It's my goal in life. If anybody knows a good dog trainer, leave it in the comments below. If you're a puppy, the Braille house is the place to be, like straight up. I want someone to look at me the way Aaron looks at Bob. He's a living legend. He did a rail into the Grand Canyon. Come on. Well, guys, we can't find any mean comments. Should we just call it a video? What do you think, Blue? If you guys have any Aaron Kyro roasts, roast me in these comments, and you never know, might end up in a video. Like the video if you think Blue did a good job.
Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Yeah, you're a good boy.
Thanks a lot for watching. Watch all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn how to ride a skateboard. It will change your life, and you'll have the most fun you ever had.